All right, my peeps, we are going to do this Halloween craft, but do not scroll because there will be an 80s twist on it, okay? So this lady goes to the dollar store. She buys all these supplies, these little houses, which I did. I went and I bought. She buys these cute little necklaces, these skull and bone necklaces that she glues onto the trim, spray paints it gray, and she turns them into spooky houses. So we're going to do that, but we're going to do it 80s style, okay? So just watch till the end. You'll see what I mean. However, what happened was I went and bought all that stuff. Everything, the plastic houses, the necklaces, the spray paint, the moss. I bought it all. And I'm going to work and I see this dollhouse. You see that? In someone's bulk trash. It was broken and dirty. So I picked that up and we're going to do the spooky house with that house. Hang on till the end, okay? Here it goes. All right, I just want to say, if you want real slow instructions, easy to follow, go to the lady's bio. That's the house. These are the necklaces you have to cut apart and glue onto the trim. And these windows are busted out already, so I'm taking the white pieces that were on the side and I'm taking them off, gluing them on the front. That's one of the pieces. And then I'm going to cut out cardboard and styrofoam and make boards for the windows so they look like they were broken out. And that was the trim with the skulls and the bones. All right, so now I'm going to give it a coat of gray spray paint. I picked a matte finish, and that's what it looks like all sprayed. And then I'm going to go over it with some black dry brush. And then after I do the black dry brush, I'll do white. And then a little bit of mossy green just to make it look super creepy. And here's what it looks like all painted. Gives it a lot of dimension. I painted the boards as well in brown. All right, so now we're going to glue moss on. I'm going to cover those fake rock hedges in front with the moss. I went to Five Below, bought some characters. I'm going to try to transform these babies so they go with our theme. I'm using some paints and skewers, and I have some air dry clay. First I had to cut the arms off because they all looked exactly the same. That would be stupid. And now we are going to transform them. I'm not going to show you the whole process. It'll take way too long. So with the magic of video editing, here goes.
Man wouldn't do that. This isn't a man.
Good, Joe. What are you growling at?